everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. How do you like my poncho with sleeves? This design is by the lovely Crystal at Bag of Day. Thank you, Crystal, for this awesome tutorial. I didn't do the neckline the same as Crystal did, but I did the sleeves the same. And it's so cute. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. Yes. I don't know, I have to confess, I made a mistake somewhere because I don't have, okay, I have an even number of stitches on one side, but not on the other. When I went to put the sleeve together, it's like, oh no, it's not the same, and I couldn't find just where the error was, but it's somewhere. But I don't think anybody's really going to notice, right? I don't know. Maybe it's not going to hang exactly right. I don't know what the back looks like till I rewatch my video. But I think it's really cute, really cute. And of course, as I was watching Crystal's tutorial, I was getting my own ideas of, you know, eventually maybe doing one of these a little bit different. I mean, this is awesome. This is awesome. Great design. Great design. Miss Crystal, as always. Yeah. All right, let me tell you what I used for yarn and hook. Okay, I gotta fix that. All right, sunshine, sunshine. Oh, the weather is mild here in Winnipeg. Wow, we're having an incredible November. I mean, it's not, oh dear, not supposed to be this warm. I mean, it's around freezing, which is nice. Okay, stay. All right. Okay, so the yarn I used a Caron cloud cake. Caron cloud cake. Yes. Oh, I love these. They're one of my favorite yarns because of their softness. I mean, when they called this a cloud cake, they knew what they were doing. Because it's not only soft, it's really lightweight. I mean, this is so lightweight, and I love it. Okay, so Caron cloud cake. This was limited time only. Actually, they did bring out more cloud cakes, different colors, I think. But yeah, so I got this at Michael's. Okay, it's a medium 400% polyester. There's 240 grams, 8.5 ounces, 695 meters, 760 yards in one. I used a complete ball, one complete ball, plus a little tiny bit of the second ball. So I used hardly any for the second ball. I had to get into the second ball just to finish off one of the sleeves and do the single crochet around the neck. And that was it. Yeah. Okay, what else was I going to tell you here? Oh, the color. The color is raspberry. Raspberry. I love it. I love this color. It's so pretty. So pretty. Yeah, and the hook size I used, what do they suggest? They suggest, they suggest a 4.5. I used a 5 millimeter. I believe this is what I used. That's what was sticking in the ball when I just grabbed it today. But yeah, so, yeah, gee, I need a haircut. But anyway, so this is it. I love it. I think it turned out really nice, although I did miss a stitch somewhere. Look at that sunshine. Yeah, so who else is making it? Who else is making this poncho? I'll link Crystal's tutorial below. And yeah, thank you so much, Crystal. And And everyone, happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving in the United States today, and according to Google, some other countries celebrate. I don't know if it's today, but we had ours in Canada in October. And yeah, so what are you thankful for today? I'm thankful for Jesus. And I'm thankful for all you guys. All right, you guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.